I'm Dr. Rachel at Living Wellness Chiropractic, and this is Zoe. She is 2 years old. She received her very first chiropractic adjustment when she was about 6 months old. It wasn't here, but she was having trouble with crawling, and after her first adjustment, she was able to crawl after, which is awesome. About a month ago, well, she's been getting treated here since 18 months. About a month ago, she was complaining about some leg pain. She fell and she hurt her back, and she was really complaining a lot to her parents about it. So we treated her about a month ago, and she wasn't complaining at all. So awesome. We're just going to do a quick little adjustment with Zoe. She loves being adjusted. So we're just going to check to make sure everything's still all right. Put her right down, honey. Put your head down. Good job. Good job, baby. So we're just going to feel around here. So we don't adjust kids the exact same as adults just because they are a lot smaller. Just going to bring your hands down, baby. Good. You okay? Good. So just feeling around. Feel her little hips here. Just do a little adjustment here. She likes to have a little soft tissue work done. Very relaxing. She sits still very well, which can't be said the same for when she's not being adjusted. So just feeling where we need to adjust in the mid-back so that when we get there, come on up. We're going to flip you over. I'm going to lay on your back now, baby. Good job. Ready? And then for the neck, we just get to do little tiny movements. Are you shy? So just kind of little small movements to get the neck moving where it should be. Good. Last one. You ready to jump? Come here. Whoop. Ready? You're going to jump? Shy. So for adjusting the back, you're just going to jump. We're going to apply some overpressure. Ready? 1, 2,